7.53. I got my answer from that.
7.53 units. Don't forget the units.
Meters.
Meters.
Meters squared, or is it just meters?
Circumference is
Okay.
meter only. Meter
Okay.
square, the unit of meter
Hold up.
square, unit of
Area.
area. Yes, area. Okay. Second question is how much does it cost?
Um, this is gonna be a really big number, but $34.11.
34. $34.
11 cents.
11 cents. Okay. Okay. So next. So basically, we know the diameter. So for imagine this have diameter 2.4 meter. Okay, 2.4 meters. So question A, to find how much edging is to find the circumference. So how much edging? Edging is to find circumference, which our formula is what is the formula
The formula for diameter.
to find the circumference?
I mean, to find the circumference from diameter.
Yes, is
Let me actually find the notes.
but you already did with the answer. You already have the
Oh yeah, I
answer.
did.
I think you should have the formula.
But anyways, the formula is pi times diameter, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
pi times diameter. Okay, so pi is 3.14. We already have the diameter, so multiply by 2.4, which is, so let me check and confirm 3.14. 3.14 times 2.4, which is okay 7.50.
So 53.
Yeah, it should be like 7.536, but if you take only two digits,
Ah, it's 7.54.
yeah, 54, because this number is 6, so we round it up. Okay,
I always forget that part.
okay, so the thing is 7 point. Okay, but somehow the answer is correct. So number two for B, how much does it cost? So find the cost. The cost equal to the edging, which is 7 point. Sorry. So the cost is 7.54 times $4.53, which is equal to 7.54 times $4.53, which is 34.16. So a little bit change due to it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the price.
Yeah, but also after this, can we do a problem for my homework? Because
Mm-hmm.
it's related to the lesson we're doing right now, and I'm really confused on it.
Okay, okay, yes, yes. Okay, now we finish. So could you send me and we can do it?
Yeah, sure.
So you already come to the circle and stuff like this. Also.
No, it's a topic checkpoint, which means like it's from a lot of different lessons.
Oh, okay.
I just sent it.
Okay, okay, receiving, like receiving the.
Is it still receiving for you?
Uh, I have received, but see, like, not still not working.
Okay.
Okay, okay, wait. The internet here say 4G, but it's not 4G. You know, like, is it really 4G? I don't know. Like,
Is it worse?
yes, super. Okay, okay. Let's work. When I went to Thailand, they say 4G, but it's faster than like what it used to be in Cambodia. Cambodia is 4G, but not 4G. Like even the small picture you just sent me, I need to wait like a 1 or 2 minutes.
Is the Wi-Fi really bad there?
Uh, Wi-Fi somehow okay. So Wi-Fi I use the one with the speed of uh, 12 megabytes, something like this. But it worked
Uh,
okay. Not bad, but it's not good. Okay, so number two we have. Okay, so from your question, only one.
yeah, just this one.
Okay. So circumference of the outside of a ring is 66 millimeters, and it have outer diameters of 21 millimeters. If the circumference, so meaning you already study about this stuff, already finished kind of
Uh, I don't know. I don't think we've gone to that, but maybe like we might have. I don't know. Do you want me to check?
yeah, because like you said, like we are ahead of them, so this lesson only us study. So imagine like you don't have, like you don't study yet, but the teacher asks you to do this kind of stuff. So
Yeah.
is it possible? I think no. So if then like you will be the one who can solve. So if the circumference, wait. If the circumference of the inside of the ring is 50 millimeters, what is the inner diameters of the rings? So the question, the circumference of the outside of a ring. Okay, draw a ring here. Okay, let's say this is kind of ring. So the ring, for example, we wear the rings, and we have like a inner and outer. And you can pictures. Okay,
Like inside the ring and outside the ring.
yeah, outside the ring, inside the ring. So let's see here. This is no field. Okay, this also no field. So okay. We have this one bigger than that, but this okay. Right. Can make it
Uh,
okay. Hmm. Should we look like something like this? And we have like a diamond and stuff, but don't care about that. So the circumference of
yeah.
the outside ring. I think I should mark it this one as different color. Let's say red. So the circumference of the reds, circumference, circumference of the red is 66 millimeters. Okay, and it has the outer diameter. So diameter of the outer as well is 21 millimeters. If the circumference of the inside the ring, okay, put here. If the circumference inside, so circumference small circumference is 50 millimeters, what is the diameter? Oh, this is actually the tricky one. I think this is not involving with the formula of the circle.
It's not.
It's not. Why? I think you can check. So, okay, just for the checking, because we already come to this lesson. So, this one, let's confirm. Is it really that? So, when we have circumference, the formula is pi d, right? So pi is 3.14, d is 21 millimeters. So a result will be 3.14 times 21 is 65.94, something like this. It's quite similar to that, but they already have the answer for you. But this purpose of the exercise is about the proportions.
Proportions?
Yeah, proportions. So one, when we have two similar items, when we have two similar items, and we have this one as the reference, so we can use this as the next reference as well. So to write this is, let's say this is the big one is C1, D1. This is the small one is C2, D2. So
Did you just say C2? Oh,
yeah, C2
okay.
is it? Okay, this is two C2, D2. So to write this ratio of proportions,
Hello.
C1 over D1 equal to, what do you think? Proportion have to be in a similar item, right? How do we
Yeah.
write proportion? C1 over D1 have to be equal to C2 over D2.
D2.
Okay. So C1 is 66, C1 is 21, C2 is 50. This D2 is what are we looking for, right?
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for. So when we have this kind of equivalence, 66 over 21 equal 50 over D2, we find D2.
How do we find D2?
Yes. First of all, like, can we find D2?
I think so, yeah.
Yes. Okay, yes. But how? How do
This kind of off topic, but this kind of reminds me of like the things where like we would
yeah, that whole,
it's like I forgot what it's called, but it's like really similar.
yes, that
It's
is,
like something about like percentages.
we call it
Are you talking about multiplication?
cross multiplication. Yes, cross multiplication.
I
So
was actually talking about the formula we used to do for percentages, but
eh, yeah, yeah, somehow like that. When we have like a is over of equal to percent over 100, and then like we
oh
do
yeah.
cross multiplication as well. So this is cross multiplication. So multiply crossing, like this time this equal this time this. So 66 times D2 equal
Is equal to 50 times 21.
yes, correct. So 50 times 21. So 66 D2 equal to 21 times
Do
50.
you want me to do this manually or calculator?
Okay,
I'm
this is
gonna do it manually.
yeah manually like easier like
1050.
1050. See, like when you do it manually, like I can get the answer from you more confidence, and I don't need to check.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But when you use the calculator, I always doubt like how the answer is correct.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Divided by 66.
1050. 50 over 6. Oh, division. Okay.
Division.
I'm gonna do this manually.
Okay.
Okay. 66 times 2 equals 132.
That is
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
1050 divided by 66.
It's 6 times 5. Six. Times 60. Uh, so if
Yes.
we get to a point where we can like add a 0 to the end, right?
We
And add a decimal.
oh, okay. When still can continue division, we have one decimal and add zero. Yes. Correct. At that
Okay.
point, we have decimal. Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not done yet. Hold on. I don't feel like doing it manually anymore, but
Right. One thousand fifteen divided by 66.
can I use a calculator?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Anyway. Oh, that's a long number. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
15.90.
15.90.
90.
Do you have anything? 90
Did meters, millimeters.
millimeter. Yes, I think it's 90. The answer will be
15.9.
15.909, right?
Yeah.
And then should it be?
It's 909.
Yeah. If we take
15.909.
only two digits, don't
Oh, it's
forget,
99.
don't forget that nine will be rounded up. Sorry.
Wait, what?
It will be
Like,
909 like this.
yeah.
We take only two digits, so we will omit this one. But when we omit this one, it's need to be rounding up. Need to be rounded.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay. So this will be 91
Point
millimeters.
91.
Yeah, 15.91. So I think the purpose is to do it with these proportions. But if you already have or known about the circumference formula, we can do it without even knowing this. Only this circumference can find the diameter already, right?
Yeah.
Do you agree? Okay. So, okay, let's do in our way as well, as we already studied about the circumference already. So we have only, if we known C2 equal to 50 millimeter, we can already find D2 without knowing C1 and D2, D1. C1 and D1 is will be useless when we already know all of this. So we use the formula C2 will be pi times D2, correct? Basically like
Equals
equal to pi times D.
pi times d squared or pi times d times 2.
D2. So D2 is just the names. Basically like a
Oh,
D2.
sorry, that's just
That's
the
a,
name.
yeah, that's the name for this one. The name for this one. The inner circles. So then like a C, so then to find the 2 is C2 divided by pi, which is C2 is 50 divided by pi 3.14. Let's see the results. What is the result? 50 divided by 3.14.
I'm going to calculate.
Okay,
Sure.
so
Uh, um 15.92.
yes, 15.92. So if we do it without the reference of the outer circle, still we can do it. But we do it with these formulas. But since you haven't studied about this formula yet in your main class, so you will do it with this one, writing the proportion, and then we do the cross multiplication and get the answer.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so now you have two options, but your main class will be preferred this first one.
Okay.
Do you have anything else?
Oh, do you want to go over my homework?
Yes,
Or
I think we go with hour. We maybe not have enough time, so
okay.
we do some more.
You want to go over ours or the class?
Class, your class, your main
Okay.
homework. So checks homework. Will it be collected tomorrow or
Sorry?
will
Yeah,
it be
it's due
collected?
tomorrow.
Oh, do tomorrow. Okay, yes. Any like something you say? Oh, I do this, but mm, uh,
But
yeah. We should have like the question that yeah, I can do it, but I don't know. So that will be like discussing.
Yeah.
Some problem you say like, oh, this is like confident. Like I do it with confidence. This 100, I will come back with 100. This, oh, this is a piece of cake. This is easy. This is easy. But even some easy problem, you may make a little bit mistake with the calculation. So
Yeah, so basically the ones that I put a red line next to, those are the ones I've already done.
okay, okay. So just check the answer.
Alright, I just sent it. Is it blurry?
Okay, okay. Now coming. Okay, not blurry. I can see. So the first one we already do. Number two, we do number four and five, right?
I haven't done number one, but that's really easy. I just have to look inside my book.
Okay, so number one. Okay, so number one is very easy for you, so don't care. Number four. Let's do number four. Number four, the ratio of the cow to a chicken at the old McDonald farm is 2:4. Okay, and let me write roughly. So the ratio of cow chickens at old McDonald. Okay, let's say MC McDonald's farm. Oh, is
Oh, McDonald had a farm.
McDonald also have a farm. Selects all the farms that have a ratio greater ratio of cow to chicken. Then old McDonald's. Old MC McDonald. MC farms. Okay. So your answer is pasture farm and CNC farm. Ratio is okay. Right. So the ratio of the cow over the chickens, this is for McDonald farm, is 2/7. Right? So the question is asked, select all the farm that have a greater ratio of cow to chickens than
Sorry, for the one that we did earlier is 15.91. Which one's the answer for the inner and the outer? Is 15.91 the one inner
inner.
or outer?
This one is the inner. Yeah. So this is
Yeah.
we're looking for. See, it's
All right.
smaller than 21, smaller than 21. So that should be. If the answer is more than 21, that's the questions.
Okay.
So number four, we have this ratio. We want the ratio. So our purpose of this exercise is to select all the farm that have a greater ratio, right? So let's
Yeah.
fix which one have a greater ratio than 2/7.
Like if, never mind.
Yeah, like all of those have to be greater than 2/7. So now let's check with the red farms. The first one is red farm, right?
Uh
Red
huh.
farm is
3 to 5.
3 to
Three
5.
cows to
So
every 5.
cow
Yeah.
over chicken is 3/5. What do you think? 3/5 and 2/7. Which one is greater? Will
I
Red Farm greater?
is it McDonald's or McFarm?
Which one is greater? So we want the farm that is greater ratio than the McDonald's one. So we want to check this 3/5 is greater than 2/7 or not. If it's greater, then this is the answer. But if it's not, it's not. How do
I
we?
think
Mhm.
I think it's 2/7 only because if I was to multiply it by like 2/2, it would be like
To check? So to check which one is greater by comparing the fraction which different denominator, we cannot check, right? So
yeah.
what should we do to make it more
So you have to have a common denominator.
Yes, we should have a common denominator and then we compare the numerator. But it will take a little times. Other methods that we can compare the two fraction is to make it as a decimal numbers.
Yeah.
Right? So when 3/5, we can divide 3 divided by 5, which is
3 divided by 5.
3 divided by 5. You can use calculator easier.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 divided by 5 is
0.6 apparently.
0.6. How about 2/7?
2/7 is 0.28.
0.285. Okay, let's check like 285. So which one is greater?
I want to say I want to say 0 I want to say 0.285, but I don't know. I think wait, stop. I think 0.6. 0.6?
Yeah, say it with confidence. 0.6 is
Oh,
greater.
okay. Oh, let me take a deep breath.
Okay, okay. So 0.6, basically here even they have three number, but the number will be 285. It is imagines with the money. I think imagine with the money you say maybe you think more broader. So this is 0.6 means 0.60 cents.
Okay. And 0.285 cents.
Yeah, this one is 0.28 and 5 cents, like 28 5 cents. So it only two dimes. So more than cent we have a dime, right?
Yeah.
And so this is 0.6 dams, this is 0.2 dams.
Oh, wouldn't it be 0.285?
Which one
Because
is
like
great?
is worth more than cents. Wait, what?
Wait,
Than pennies?
no. Which one is greater? 0.6 or 0.6?
It's like 6 cents, right? So it's like 6 penny.
So 0.6 mean 0.60 cents. Only
Zero.
this, yes. 0.06 is 0.6 cents. That different. That is the big difference.
Okay.
0.6 mean 0.60 cents. So always
So
we have 0, 0, 0, 0. After the decimal, we can add as many zero as possible.
I think it would be 0.60.
Yeah, so the 0.6 is greater than, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now 0.6 is greater than this is red farm. So 0.6 is a red farm. 0.285 is a McDonald farm. So now we know that red farm is greater than McDonald farm. So this also the answer, right? Also what we're looking for. So also
Yes.
the red farm as well. Don't forget. Wait, the one you choose is the not correct one, or
I chose Pasteur Farm and CNC.
okay? Why? There should be like a reason.
I multiplied 2/2 and then just checked to see who had like the biggest denominator. I was like, okay, that works.
Okay, but the answer. Okay, now we don't know that yet, but we check for Red Farm. Red Farm is greater than the old McDonald's. So this is the answer. One answer. So please select the Red Farm as well.
Alright.
Now the cl-
Oh, so would it be Cluck and Moo Farm too? Since like 1 divided by 5 is like 5.
okay, so now we check clerks and Mo. Okay, clerk and Mo. So the cow over the chickens will be cow over chicken is 1/5. So now 1/5 and 2/7, which one is greater?
1/5.
One
I
over
want
5.
1/5.
Okay, so 1 divided by 5 equal to 0.2, right?
1 divided by 5? Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
1 divided by 5 is 0.2, but we know that
Sorry.
2/7 is here.
0.285.
Yeah, so which one is greater?
Hmm.
0.285 and 0.2, which one is greater?
Wait, so that's okay. Hold on. Is it 0.285?
Yes, 0.285 is greater. Wait, why are you not like answering with the confidence like this?
Because I don't know.
Okay, so basically 0.285 is greater than 0.2. Why? Because even if we can add 0 after the decimal, okay, add 0, see, it's still smaller. 285 and this one is 200. So this one still greater. So this one greater than clocks and more. So clock and more is we only want to have the farm that have a greater. So this not greater. So no, not this one.
It's not greater.
Yes, it's not greater. So next. Okay, next. Now red farm, yes. Clocks and more, no. After that, it is pasture. Pasture, right? Pasture. Okay, pasture is 2/9, right?
Oh, you missed one. T Family Farm.
Oh, okay. T family farm. Okay, T fam. T fam is 1/3. So the ratio 1/3 is
0.33.
yeah 0.33. Now 0.33 greater than 0.285 or not?
Greater.
Greater. Okay, so this also be selected. So this also yes. T
Yeah.
farm yes. Okay, T farm yes. Next is posture. Okay, posture. Posture.
0.22.
Okay, 2/9 is
0.22.
0.22. So now, which one is greatest?
What's the name?
This
The Old McDonald's Farm.
old Madonna from greater. So this is smaller, right? So basically, like Pacha is smaller. So we don't look for the smaller one. So this no, right?
Okay.
No. Last one is CNC.
Oh, it's 0.375.
CNC is 3/8, which is
0.375.
okay 0.375. Is it greater?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
greater.
So this also selected. So this yes. T Farm, yes, and Red, yes.
Okay, and then we're actually all done for that. So
Oh, actually, like you select. Wait, the one you select is not that one.
I selected one that was right and one that was wrong.
Okay, so actually.